Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and opening the power menu. Press and hold power and volume up together for about 2 to 3 seconds so the system registers a deliberate command. You do this because a short press may only lock the screen. A combined hold invokes the software menu. Once the menu appears, note options like power off and restart. If adaptive gestures interfere, briefly disable them in settings so the combination works reliably when you need it. Next, tap the power off option and then confirm if the phone asks. This double step prevents accidental shutdowns while ensuring apps close cleanly. You want the OS to gracefully stop background tasks and flush storage writes, which reduces risk of data corruption. Once confirmed, make sure the screen shows the shutdown animation and the device begins to power down. If the phone seems stuck, give it 10-20 seconds for processes to finish before moving to a forced method. If the Pixel 8 is frozen, force power off by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This cuts power at the hardware level and stops unresponsive processes. Use sparingly because it's abrupt. Once off, plug in and charge for 5 to 10 minutes to rule out battery-related issues. If it won't shut down or boot, check the screen for damage and try recovery mode to diagnose software problems. If problems persist, seek authorized service to avoid warranty voiding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.